A very good day to Madam Janatun. My name is Farah binti Muhammad Yunus. I will be presenting general exceptions from criminal liability insanity defense section 84 penal code. I have chosen the first scenario, which is Ali, a 30-year-old man diagnosed with schizophrenia, attacked his neighbor during a psychotic episode, believing the neighbor was a demon. So his family confirmed he had not taken his medication and he was acting irrationally. So the issue in this case is whether Ali, a man suffering from schizophrenia, can be held criminally liable for attacking his neighbor during a psychotic episode. So during this episode, Ali genuinely believed that his neighbor was a demon. So and he acted under the delusion. So his family member has confirmed that Ali had not taken his medication for several days, and he was behaving irrationally. So the question is, at that time of the act, did Ali have the mental capacity to understand the nature and consequences of his actions? So therefore, the main legal issue is to be determined is whether Ali can rely on the defense of insanity under the section 84 of the Malaysian Penal Code, which provides general exceptions from the criminal liability. So the legal principle states the relevant law is found in section 84 of the Malaysian Penal Code. So it states that nothing is an offense which is done by a person who at that time of doing it by reason of unsoundness of mind is incapable of knowing the nature of the fact or that it is wrong or contrary or law. So this means a person cannot be punished if because of mental illness they were unable to understand what they were doing or did not know it was wrong. So the section is based on the McNaughton Rules 1843, which define the legal test for insanity. Sorry. So there are three elements to prove that the accused must was of unsound mind. So the unsoundness existed at the time of the act, and it made the person incapable of understanding the nature of wrongfulness and wrongfulness of the act. So this legal basis claiming that this is the insanity defense. So the case law, there are three case laws supporting this case law. So the first is Publicutor against Rosman bin Juso, 1994 to MLJ 385. So this case, who the accused suffered from schizophrenia, had killed his father. So the court accepted psychiatric evidence that he was legally insane under section 84, and he was acquitted on that basis. So the second case is R against McNaughton 1843. So this case laid down the legal test for insanity. So it states that an accused is not guilty if he did not understand the nature of the act, or he did not know it was wrong. And the final case law is public prosecutor against Hanif Basri Abdul Rahman, 2018 for MLJ 77. So for this case, the court clarified that not all mental illnesses is qualified. So the mental disorder must directly affect the person's mind at that time of the offense. So these cases shows how courts apply section 84 carefully based on on the medical evidence and the accused state of mind. So the application of this case applying to the law to Ali's case. So in Ali's situation, he has a diagnosed mental disorder, which is schizophrenia, which prove he suffers from unsoundness of mind. So during the attack, he was experiencing a psychotic episode, believing his neighbor was a demon, and this means he could not distinguish um, between reality and delusion. So because of that, Ali did not understand the nature of quality, the nature and quality of an act, of his act. He thought that he was defending himself, but the truth is, he is not committing a crime. So his family has also confirmed that he was off his medication. Like he didn't take for several days. So which it supports that he was in an unstable mental state at that time. So, hence, applying Section 84, it is clear that Ali was incapable of knowing of his act was wrong or on contrary of law. This shows that the elements are the insanity are fulfilled. So the conclusion of this case, based on the facts and legal provisions, Ali can successfully rely on the general exception of insanity under Section 84 of Penal Code. His schizophrenia and psychotic state at the time of the offense shows he was not in control of his mental faculties. So, therefore, Ali is not criminally liable because he lacked the mental capacity to form the rea, necessary mens rea, and or guilty of mind for the offense. So, however, under the section 347 of the Criminal Procedure Code, the court may order Ali to be detained in psychiatric facility for treatment and to protect public safety. So, the summary we can summarize from this scenario: Ali's act was committed while he was of unsound mind, so the law exempts him from criminal punishment. That's all from me, madam. Thank you.